Hello, this is my 30th lecture on integral calculus. I'm Ms. Ranjana Datta from the Department of Mathematics, the Graduate School College for Women. Here, today we will discuss about the transformation of multiple integral. And in this, we will first discuss the triple integral. Suppose f x y z with dx dy dz are given, and we are to transform it into some another function f phi 1 phi 2 phi 3 and phi 1 phi 2 phi 3 in uv form. So we can transfer it into uv form. When we transfer x y z into uv form, we are to find um, f of phi 1 phi 2 phi 3 and another one which is necessary. See the new for you, that is Jacobian. When we convert dx dy into dz, we are to put a Jacobian du dv and dz. So how to find the value of the Jacobian? See, suppose delta means partial operation, partial differentiation. So Jacobian can be written as del of xyz divided by del of uvw. That is in the form you can find, and then finding the determinant of this value, we can get the value of the Jacobian. And another form of the Jacobian we can get in that is polar form also. So when we put x equal to r cos theta and y equal to r sin theta, del x y divided by del r theta can be written as del x by del r, del y by del r, and del x by del r, del x by del theta, and then del y by del theta, and del y by del y by del theta. So if x is equal to r cos theta, del x by del r will be cos theta, and del x by del theta will be minus r sin theta, and del y by del theta will be sin theta, and del y by del theta will be r cos theta, and after calculation it becomes r. So dx dy can be written as Jacobian of dr d theta. Dx dy can be written as Jacobian of dr d theta, and here Jacobian is r. Similarly, you can find when x is equal to r sin theta into cos phi and y is equal to r sin theta into sin phi, then you can see how to, the similar way you can find the value of the Jacobian. Now when the Jacobian you are to find in the Cartesian form, these are above one is the form of r and theta, that means polar form. Now we are discussing about in the Jacobian form. Let x plus y is equal to u and y is equal to uv. So x is equal to u minus y, that is u minus uv, that is u into 1 minus v. So hence the Jacobian can be calculated del of xy divided by del of uv, and after calculation it becomes u. So del x del dx dy can be written as Jacobian of du dv. Here the value of the Jacobian, you are to take the modulus of the Jacobian, that is u du dv. Similarly, if x plus y plus z is equal to u, and y plus z is equal to uv, z is equal to uvw. The similar way you can find the value of the Jacobian, and it is here in this case u square into v. So dx dy dz can be written as equation of du dv and dw. Now some examples. Evaluate 0 to x and 0 to a minus x v dx dy, and given that x plus y is equal to u and y is equal to uv, v being a function of x and y. Here x plus y is equal to u, so y is equal to given here uv. So we are to find the value of the Jacobian as we did previously. Now when y is equal to 0, that means y equal to uv is equal to 0. This gives us u equal to 0 and v is equal to 0. When y is equal to, the limit of y is equal to a minus x, so then u minus x is equal to a minus x, which gives us u is equal to a. So when y equal to 0 gives us u equal to 0, v equal to 0. When y is equal to a minus x, that is gives us u is equal to a. Now the value of x for the first, that is x is equal to 0, that is 0 plus y is equal to u. This gives us u, y is equal to v is equal to u. So from this we get either u is equal to 0 or v is equal to 1. Now the limit for x when x is equal to a gives us y is equal to u minus a, which gives us y is equal to 0, then u is equal to a. So combining these things, we can write it as when we write du dv v uv Jacobian is equal to u, and the limit of u is 0 to a, and the limit of v is from 0 to 1. Similarly, you can do the second problem, that is minus 1 to 1 and limit of integration. Another one is u to 1 by u v du dv. You are to change it into x and y, from uv to x and y. So x is given here 1 plus u and y is given here uv. You try it at home. So today this much only. Thank you.